slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what's up guys? Mike with iReviewStuff back here once again. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Bred Jordan 4s. I believe these are set to release in May sometime. These are a UA pair from ShoeOut.ru. If you are new to the channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Also remember to drop a like to show some love that way if you're a current or new viewer of mine. And last but not least, turn on notifications for the channel, as well as follow that Instagram. Link will be in the description. If you have any questions, DM me on there. I'll be happy to answer them. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Got these today. Wore them out basically all day. Super comfortable, true to size with these. But yeah, so if you see any sock lint on the inside of them, it's because I wore them out. But yeah, so got like 3 compliments on them actually, because they're not supposed to release till May. So yeah, yeah, let's get right into it. So shipping with these after I received tracking information was about a week with EMS to Canada. So that's probably what you're looking to expect, but just varies honestly. And you can get faster shipping as well with DHL. Just I don't recommend that for Canadians, as you will probably have to pay custom and duty fees, so keep that in mind. But came double box, everything came perfect, so I'm happy. Really dope classic shoe. These are the ones with the Nike Air on the back, of course, so you really can't go wrong with them that way, especially they're a really clean shoe. So let's just get right into it. Actually, before I take a look at the box and all that, here's the information for you newcomers. If you're not already aware of Bernice and ShoeOut, she kills it with these shoes. I don't condone buying anything. I'm not gonna say I condone it on this video, but you guys do what you want with your money. I'm just showing you what I do with mine. So there's a website, ShoeOut.ru. The WhatsApp's right there. WeChat is bernicegerge and Instagram is @bernicegerge. And if you use the code iReviewStuff, it saves you $20 on any purchase on the site. So keep that in mind when you're shopping. If you're shopping, again, I don't condone it, but you guys do what you want with your money, like I said. So throw that to the side. Keep in mind also, for you UA shoe lovers, if you do want StockX stuff, feel free to ask Bernice and she should be able to throw it in for you. I didn't get any on this pair because I didn't ask for it, but yeah, keep that in mind. If you're copying a shoe and you want StockX, like the little paper sticker and the tag, just ask her for it. She does also send QC pictures as well if asked for, so make sure you ask for that as well if you want to see what the shoe looks like before they ship it out. But yeah, pretty much covered it all. So let's get into the box. Typical Jordan 4 box, not gonna spend too much time on it. You see the Jumpman in red, flight, and then basically cement all over the bottom. Then it's got some Nike branding on the bottom. Got the swoosh branding, Nike, Jordan flight. It's crazy how good these have gotten over the years, man. I remember like when people used to shop on DHgate and all that, they were trash. So men's 13, women's 14.5, Air Jordan Retro Black, Fire Red, Cement Gray. Got the suggested retail 200 right there. So everything checks out, man. It looks good. You got the little pull ring, and yeah. So let me show you what the inside of the box looks like. So you got a nice red inside. Y'all already know what's popping with the Jordan 4 box. You do have the Jumpman shoe trees. Looks like it's too small of a size because these are 13 and this 8.5 to 10 is what this shoe tree is made for. But no biggie, I don't really care. Then you got a little tag that comes with it, Nike Air, both sides. Not gonna lie, I kind of dig these. It's easier to like make properly with the outlines than the actual like plastic tags that are like thick, because those ones I feel like are more like flawed, to be honest, a lot of the times. So and then you got the black little plastic in there as well. So nothing else. I don't know if there is a little sticker as well. Sometimes there's like a little green sticker that comes on boxes, sometimes not. But yeah, if you're a sneakerhead, you know what I'm talking about. So let's take a quick look at these beautiful shoes. Quick early look before their release. There they are in all their glory. Jordan Bred 4's classic shoe, all black nubuck on it. You really can't go wrong. Even if you wear these out in the rain, Like, what's the worst that can really happen? It's nubuck, it's black, you're not gonna really see stains on it. So super easy shoe to have as like a preferred beater, which is definitely gonna be these. I say that like every single month, it feels like, but that's just me because I cop like a few new pairs of shoes monthly. If not for me, for a friend, but I usually get at least 1 or 2 pairs for myself monthly as well. So if you hear like a little dripping in the background, that's just my aquariums. It's gonna point it out for the next couple of videos because I'm not gonna unplug my filters and all that like I've been doing, because I don't really care. Like, it's just a little drip, you know, like a little drip in the background. So if y'all care that much, watch someone else. I don't know what to tell you. So inside the shoe, you can see it's gonna go with the inside quick. So you can see I left the size 13 men's sticker in there. Got the black Nike Air, which, keep in mind, I did wear these all day walking around playing Pokemon Go, and there is no signs of the Nike Air wearing away. So that goes to show how good the quality is on that. Let me get the size sticker out if I can to my best ability. So there's a little size sticker, size 13, got the Jumpman on there. Underneath the tongue, got the Air Jordan. Simple stuff. Ankle collar, you can see some sock-lint for my black socks. No biggie though, got like 3 compliments on these shoes. Like I said, some dude came up to me, he's like, oh, you got those early? I'm like, yeah. I don't really talk too much, so like I just say, yeah, I got them early. Conversation kind of ends there. Some guy was like walking past me and said he was trying to like get me to move out of the way kindly, sort of deal. And he was like, oh shoot, nice kicks. He's like 4s as he was walking away. So nice shoe, man. If sneakerheads see it, you're usually gonna get a compliment on it, especially if it's pre-release and you're rocking them in the streets. Especially then, you're gonna get a lot of talk around those shoes. So keep in mind, early pairs do happen quite often because a lot of stores backdoor pairs, like employees take them and stuff like that. There's still a lot of stores out there that do that. So backdooring, especially pairs like these that are closer to a GR than like something like Travis Scott 1s or whatever, these are a lot easier to backdoor as well. So a lot of stores do that sort of stuff. So it's not unbelievable saying you got an early pair. So here's the Nike Air on the back before I go into the rest of the shoe, because I know you guys want to see that. That is crispy clean right there in gray. So really killed it on that Nike Air. Nice and clean. The cuts on the shoe are beautiful. Stitching is on point. There's really nothing to complain about. Like, even down to the air bubble, you can see the air bubble on the inside. No paint splatters all over it. Like, quality is superb on these. So nice and moldable midsole. Then you got the hard rubber on the outside there. No glue stains either on the shoe. You can see a little bit of creasing from me just wearing them for a day, but happens. It's gonna happen, obviously. And yeah, you can even see the paint's on point. Really no bleeding. So yeah, dope stuff. Might be a little piece of like extra material there, but ripped it off with ease. So yeah, and that type of stuff happens on retail pairs these days too, with how mass produced everything is. So you can see right through the air bubble right there, super clean. Again, no paint splatters anywhere. The netting is angled correctly. You can see a nice gray wings, lace wings. There's what the tongue looks like. So yeah, good look at that flight. If you guys see anything wrong, feel free to DM me, but these shoes look pretty flawless to me. Got that nice dirty bottom from me wearing them. I was worn out today, so I was like, got these in the mail earlier today, so I'm like, fuck it, I'm gonna wear them before the review. I know they look kind of dirty on the bottom, but that's what the bottom of a shoe is for, man. You wear them and that happens. So Nike Air on the bottom, left shoe, you can see doesn't wear off. Rest of the shoe, toe box. Yeah, man, clean shoe except the bottoms. They're not really clean because you know, your boy been wearing them all day. So yeah, but in terms of flaws, there really isn't any. You got the Nike on the bottom as well, like I showed. Super clean shoe. Not gonna spend too much time on it. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to hit me on Instagram through the DMs, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Let me know what you guys think, your thoughts on these fours, the Bred fours. Super clean shoe, classic shoe. I think the last time these were actually released was 2012. Correct me if I'm wrong, but definitely been a hot minute since he saw retail eyes. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know your thoughts on this shoe. And with all that being said, if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. My videos are also kind of educational because you can look at these shoes in detail, see if there's any differences, and then compare them to a retail pair, and you can kind of do legit checking there for yourself. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys have an awesome day. More heat on the way like always, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.